Uzodimma receives Unity Touch, pledges support for National Sports Festival.
This is Prudent News on Prudent MSTV.
The Imo State Governor, Hope Uzodimma, has received the Touch of Unity by the Imo State Commissioner for Sports, Emeka Okoronkwo, ahead of the 2022 National Sport Festival (NSF) in Delta State. The presentation took place at the Owerri Imo State Government House. The governor, in his remark, commended the athletes for the wonderful show in Edo State last year where the previous NSF was held. He also noted that the origin of the National Sports Festival was a deliberate policy to unite Nigerians after the Civil War. He gave assurance that Imo State will continue to key into the policy.
Because all over the world, nothing can unite a nation faster and better than sports. So I think I want to officially welcome our visitors to Imo State and to assure them that being signatories to the policy that the battered National Sports Festival, Imo State will not go by.
Speaking earlier at the Government House where the Unity Touch was handed over, the Southeast Coordinator, Felix Jane Owo, enumerated what the tour represents. She noted that the Touch of Unity was flagged off by the President Muhammadu Buhari in October 28, 2022.
Moving around the states of the Federation, we have completed the Northern Zone and now we are in the South Zone, and Imo State happens to be one of the states. Touch of Unity signifies peace and unity, and when Touch of Unity comes to any state of the Federation, it shows the acceptance that the state is willing and interested to participate in the National Sports Festival. And now His Excellency is standing here in person to receive the Touch of Unity, which shows that he is giving the go-ahead for Imo State to participate.
Meanwhile, the torch bearer, Chioma Ajunwa, is the first Nigerian to win the gold at the Summer 2016 Olympics in Atlanta and the first African woman to win an Olympic gold medal. From Imo State, Southeast Nigeria, Ajibade Awofeso, Prudent, MSTV News.